So this is the KV Lab NatriChlor CD kit. It comes packaged in a plastic bag like this, and then it's also got more plastic packaging on the outside. These are really great because they don't have glass droppers. Some of the other kits do have glass droppers, and I've seen that they will break. So this one has a plastic bottle dropper, so that seems like a really good solution to not having a broken bottle. This is part A, which is sodium chlorate, and this is part B, which is hydrochloric acid. I'm going to show you now what this looks like when you activate this solution together in a glass cup. So first, I'm just going to share the precautions. It says that this can cause skin and eye irritation, and it also produces a gas, so you want to make sure you're doing this in a well-ventilated area. And the directions say to mix equal amounts of part A and part B in a small glass or plastic container. Allow to activate for 30 to 45 seconds. Color will change from clear to amber as it activates. Add water to achieve desired final strength. 12 drops of each part A and part B activated for 30 seconds will typically produce about 25 parts per million of available chlorine dioxide in 16 ounces of water. And they recommend using test strips or other methods to test the final strength of your activated solution. Okay, so I'm going to try and do this in real time so that you can see exactly what this looks like. It says it takes 30 to 45 seconds, so let's just keep the camera rolling. I am going to put it into the container here, so let's do 12 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, and then let's do part B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah. So it does look like it's activating nicely. I can definitely smell a little bit of the gas. And it's been about 40 seconds since I added that first drop to the part A solution. All right, and there we go. It looks like it's fully activated. Now I can go ahead and add this solution to 16 ounces of water to get the 25 parts per million like they recommend on the container. Well, I hope this review was helpful for you. Now I don't have 16 ounces of water in here, but this is what it looks like when you add about a cup of water.